Someone's a bit angry. This is what he'll do to your foot. Get away from me, you little... Yeah, I'm watching you, you little greebly critter. Get away from my feet. Get back. Get back, you beast. Get out of here. Where you going? Huh? I know what you're going to do. You don't want to bite my foot and do worse things to my foot. You're not going out there with the dog. Okay, you run up the tree. Just come and sit down, mate. I'll be babysitting you. Come on. Yeah, you got a thing for socks. Take the sock out the laundry. What are you doing? I'm not playing with your socks. They're dirty. Just go stick it back in the wash. So is that your little present? You just want to read things to my foot. Can we just like not have that? Wait. Didn't your parents give you manners? Yeah. Yeah, stick with that, mate. Go play footy. Goal! Oh yes, he got a goal! Wonderful passing skills. I don't know if you're allowed to use your mouth in footy. Eh? No mouth in soccer. Get away. Do we like have to go through this every day? Yeah. If I have to put up with it, you gotta get filmed doing it. You're trying to hide from the camera. There's always a camera shy. Get out of it, you weasel. Okay, have your privacy. Do you have to just bite me? Oi. Ow. No. No. Get off of it. You want to scratch? Go scratch. Oh, you be nice today, Squirty. A little scratch. What are you doing, sucker? Ah! Motherfucker! Oh! Ah! Yeah, son of a bitch. Yeah, yeah, what? That was my fault, okay? Yeah, you think you're so happy. Hmm? They get too close to your eyeball. Poor finger. You ripped the skin off. And you put a little hole. Yeah, a little pain. Your dog friend's back out there waiting for you. Go put that stinky sock back in the wash. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Okay, you have really pushed my buttons today. Just bit me. It wasn't very nice. Yeah, you want to start yelling at me now? I'll yell at you. I was just telling you off. You get back. Get back, you beast. Get back, you terrifying beast. You really want to have a go? You really want to have a... I'm telling you, you're going to go back to your cage. That's what's going to happen to you. Yeah. Stop it. Shut up. Better shut up, face. Yeah, go vent your frustrations out over there. Not on me. That's gonna whoop your ass. You think you're so tough, don't you? You might be. I'm not gonna argue with you. I have to let that dog in. Yeah, your best mate out there. To let him in. No attacking my feet. Get up cleaning supplies. I don't know why they're down on the floor. Oh, of course you want to go out buffet. One in, one out. No. You're coming back in. Get away from my feet. On a mission. You're on a mission too. You get out of here. Your little friends are outside today. Yeah. They're outside. So you should really get outside too. Huh? Oh, you little lover boy. Would pat you, but I don't want to get attacked again. He's coming up for you, Leo. Leo, watch out. He's coming. There, he's up. You're buggered now, Leo. Look at him. He's doing on his bed. Huh? Hi. Don't act all innocent to me, you fluffhead. I just feel like picking on you after you bit me. Don't start muttering your rubbish. Hey. Sit. Other things to do. You're just getting up to mischief. You can't go up any higher, the ball's up there, huh? Yeah, I'll shift it for you. Then I'm gonna go ordered chickens. Are you happy in your little spot? Better not mess up here too much. Another scratch. Don't bite me. Oh, thanks, yeah, that's it. That's all you're getting. Thanks for your time, mate. Appreciate it. Okay. You want a nice sugar drink? Yeah, I don't like that. Okay.